Welcome back to AI for Beginners, step-by-step journey from novice to pro. If you've been with us from the start, thank you for your dedication and curiosity. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials like this. Have you ever pondered about whether artificial intelligence can be biased? It's a question that might seem counterintuitive at first. After all, machines don't have feelings or prejudices. They're neutral, right? Well, not quite. You see, AI doesn't have prejudices. However, when it's fed data that reflects our prejudices, it learns and amplifies them. That's why understanding and addressing biases in AI is of paramount importance. But how does bias creep into AI? Often it's through the training data. Let's take an example of a facial recognition system. If it's predominantly trained on light-skinned individuals, it might not perform as accurately on dark-skinned individuals. The AI isn't being biased on its own. The bias comes from the data it was trained on. Or consider a hiring algorithm. If it learns from a company's past hires, which might be skewed towards a particular gender or ethnicity, it could propagate those biases. Once again, the bias comes from the data, not the AI. Correcting this isn't just about gathering more data, but about gathering right data, and that's a nuanced challenge. It's not purely a technological issue, it goes beyond that, beckoning a closer examination of societal norms and values. We need to be aware of the biases in our society and ensure they do not seep into the data we use to train our AI systems. Addressing bias also requires transparency about how AI models make decisions. This is where the concept of explainable AI comes in. Can the decisions made by an AI system be explained in terms humans can understand? If an AI system declines a loan application, can it provide a clear reason? So, it's not AI that's biased, but the data it's being fed can reflect and amplify human biases. The key is to understand this, to scrutinize our data, and to strive for fairness and transparency in our AI systems, because in the end, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's as good or as bad as the person using it. Now that we understand how bias can creep into AI, how do we address it? Addressing bias in AI is akin to untangling a complex web. The first step is gathering the right data, not just more data. We need to ensure that the data we feed our AI models is as diverse and representative as possible. This could mean including a wider range of skin tones in a facial recognition system or a more balanced gender ratio in a hiring algorithm. But rectifying bias in AI is not just about the data. It's also about understanding how AI models make their decisions, a concept known as explainable AI. Can the decisions made by an AI system be explained in terms humans can understand? For example, if an AI system declines a loan application, can it provide a clear, understandable reason? The ability to explain its decisions not only increases trust in the system, but also enables us to spot and correct any biases. However, achieving explainability in AI is not without its challenges. AI models, particularly the more complex ones, often operate like black boxes with their inner workings hidden from view. To make these models more transparent, we need to develop new techniques and tools that can shed light on their decision-making processes. Finally, addressing bias in AI is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing process. AI systems continue to learn and evolve over time, and so too should our efforts to ensure they remain unbiased. This requires constant monitoring, testing, and refining of the AI models. Transparency in AI decisions can help us understand and correct biases, but it's not just about making AI more transparent, it's also about making it more accountable. And that's where ethics comes into play, a topic we'll delve into in the next scene. AI doesn't have prejudices. However, when it's fed data that reflects our prejudices, it learns and amplifies them. That's why understanding and addressing biases in AI is of paramount importance. However, addressing bias is not just a technical challenge, it's an ethical one too. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI, we encounter complex ethical dilemmas that challenge our understanding of right and wrong. Consider self-driving cars, a beacon of AI advancement. They promise to revolutionize transportation, but they also present us with hard questions. If a self-driving car is faced with an unavoidable accident, how should it decide its course of action? Should it prioritize the safety of its passengers over pedestrians, or should it be the other way around? And what criteria should it use to make these decisions? The number of lives, age, or something else entirely? These questions do not have easy answers. They force us to grapple with moral and ethical considerations that go beyond the realm of technology. And they remind us that at its core, AI is a tool. A powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. Its decisions are only as ethical as the principles we instill in it. This brings us to the importance of human oversight in AI systems. While AI can automate many tasks, it cannot replace the nuanced understanding and moral judgment that humans bring to the table. Certain decisions, especially those of moral consequence, may always need a human touch. This is not a limitation of AI, but rather a recognition of its power. By keeping humans in the loop, we can ensure that AI systems do not just make efficient decisions, but also ethical ones. We can ensure that they respect our values and norms, even as they push the boundaries of what is technologically possible. In the end, the goal is not just to build AI systems that are smart, but also ones that are fair, transparent, and responsible. And that is a challenge that requires not just technical skills, but also a deep understanding of ethics and human values. While AI can automate many tasks, certain decisions, especially those of moral consequence, may always need a human touch. As we march toward an AI-powered future, everyone working with AI has a crucial role to play. AI practitioners, from beginners to seasoned professionals, are the torchbearers of this revolution. They are the ones who write the code, train the models, and make the machines learn, but their role extends beyond just building and refining AI systems. They are also the gatekeepers, the ones responsible for ensuring that the AI systems we deploy are fair, transparent, and ethical. They are tasked with navigating the ethical labyrinth that comes with AI, a challenge that's as complex as it is important. Think of it this way. AI is like a mirror. It reflects the world as it is, warts and all. But as practitioners, we have the power to shape what that mirror shows. We can choose to build AI systems that perpetuate existing biases, or we can strive to create systems that challenge these biases and strive for fairness. This is what responsible AI is all about. It's about acknowledging the power of AI and using that power responsibly. It's about recognizing that while AI can do great things, it can also do harm if not handled carefully. And it's about ensuring that our AI systems are not just smart, but also wise. But responsibility doesn't rest solely on the shoulders of AI practitioners. It's a collective effort. Policymakers, educators, businesses, and even the general public all have a part to play. We all need to understand the implications of AI, question its use, and demand transparency. As we continue to explore the world of AI, let's not forget the human element. Let's remember that behind every AI system there's a team of humans making decisions, and it's these decisions that will shape our AI-powered future. While AI is a tool, ethics and responsibility lie in our hands. It's been an enlightening discussion on the ethical challenges in AI. We've traversed the landscape of bias, understanding how it unwittingly seeps into AI through the training data, highlighting the need for not just more data, but the right data. We've also underscored the importance of explainable AI, emphasizing the need for transparency in how AI models make decisions, and the crucial role this plays in addressing bias. We then delved into the ethical conundrums that AI presents, raising questions about what AI should do in situations of moral ambiguity, like an unavoidable accident scenario with a self-driving car. We discussed how these ethical decisions may always require a human touch, a human oversight, reminding us of the indispensable role of human-AI collaboration. In our exploration, we've learned that the path to an AI-powered future is not just about technological advancements, but also about navigating the ethical labyrinth. And in this journey, every AI practitioner, whether a novice or a pro, has a crucial role to play. As we close this chapter, we're primed to turn the page to our next discussion. We'll be moving from the novice stages of understanding AI to the corridors of expertise. So stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll delve deeper into the realm of AI. Together, let's embark on a journey of responsible AI. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials like this. Your journey into the world of AI is just getting started, and we're excited to guide you every step of the way.